for a duck full of sheepish. It confuses the other animals.
How's it going, Ida? You still sitting? I don't know, it's all right for some.
Well, if you like the sound of it so much, why don't you take a turn on the nest? And wipe your wags. I just hit the floor this morning.
Oh, Ida, I'd love to have you sit. A chance of sitting on your eggs for a bit, but, you look so comfortable up there, it seems a shame to disturb you.
And what about that extension you promised to build on the nest? It's going to be very cramped when the little ones arrive, especially with that one big egg in the clutch. Goodness knows what size that chickie's going to be.
I reckon that might be a turkey's egg.
Oh, Drake, how would a turkey's egg get to be in my nest? Must be your side of the family.
Well, we'll just have to wait and see who he takes after, won't we, dear? Anyway, I must fly. I promised the rooster that I'd help him count his chickens. Shall I see you back here?
Well, where else do you suppose I'm going to be?
As a duck, when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake. I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all he's doing.
waves down the little watering hole.
Sure. Auntie Marmar is off now. I see you later.
Annie Marmar, what a weird name.
What a big world it is.
Yeah, far out. I was getting scrambled inside that.
Oh, don't go thinking that this is the entire world. It stretches out far beyond the other side of the lake, right in the churchyard. Though, I've never been that far myself.
Wicked, let's explore.
Wait. There are one or two nest rules you need to know before you paddle off. Number 1, no wet feet in the nest. Number 2, you must feather your own nest every morning. Number 3, no quacking after sunset. Number 4, no plankton between meals. Number 5, wait a minute. You're not up here.
Hey guys, there's something in the river again.
Oh, quacking is the big one.
Look at the shell and nest.
Excellent.
How come we got such a big egg? Yeah, we all got picked into a regular shell, but then we got a queen-sized ostrich shell. It's not fair.
Hi, kids. I'm your dad.
Take a good look at him because you probably won't see him that often. Well, true to form, you missed it. The pitter-patter.
Well, I'm here now. Okay, kids, who's up for a swim? What's the matter? All that sitting around taking it out of you?
There's still one to hatch, dumb cluck. The big one.
Let me see that egg again. Yeah, well, that's definitely a turkey. You'll never get it to go in the water, just leave it. Wait, cut that out. Come and teach the other ones to swim properly.
You teach the other ones to swim properly. I might as well sit for a bit more. I've sat for so long, a few days more won't make a bit of difference.
Whatever you say, dear. Come on, lass, the lake's a coot. Hey, wait for me!